great day. I surely am not. I need people's help. I hate to do this. I hate to ask them for help. But I'm begging here. My family has one car, and we use it. I use it basically to step kids to boxing gym every day and go to doctor's appointments. But I'm in so much pain right now. I can't go to work anymore. I wish I could, because I miss working. I hate sitting at home. But 2019, I went and had a spinal fusion done on my neck, from C2 to T3, front and back. My longest surgery I've ever did. Not my most important surgery I've ever had. But the spinal fusion has caused nothing but pain ever since it was done. But my family has only one car. We have a 2013 Ford Fiesta hatchback, and it's a good running car. It gets up and go. For a 4-cylinder, what you'd expect for a 4-cylinder. But it's has one major issue right now. There's a sensor in the passenger seat that indicates if there's somebody sitting in it or not, to keep the airbags from to deploy or not deploy. That sensor has gone out, and I can't afford to take it in, and I can't afford to trade in this car for a different car, because we can't afford the payments anymore. Because this car is bought and paid for. But I'm gonna put in my Cash App info and the links below. If I can't figure out how to do that, then it's $, capital G LYN, capital G OSNELL. I guess that's $, capital G LYN, capital G OSNELL. If y'all are willing to help me out, please help me out. I don't know what else to do. I mean, I really don't. We can't afford anything else right now. I want to go back to work so bad. I can't. Because of the pain, nobody wants to hire me anyways, because I'm such of a hassle for the insurance. As you can see here, I'm partial teeth, partial no teeth. Whatever, man. Please help me. If you can. So good. I don't know what else to do here. I really don't. I would like to get my YouTube career going, but I understand nobody wants to sit there and see somebody just sit there and talk. doing nothing. I really don't have any way to sit there and video of me doing anything, because I really ain't doing anything. No, it's not no fun. Trust me, it's no fun at all. But anyways, if you can, please help. Again, it's $, capital G, LYN, capital G, OSNELL. Thank you and have a blessed day. Peace.